How to use TikTok stickers. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create Login Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your TikTok app. Here we go. Your For You page appears. Now at the bottom you can find different options. Tap on this plus icon. Now you can just tap on this red icon to shoot the video. Or in the case you want to upload it from your gallery, you have to tap on this option of upload. For now I'm gonna upload it from my gallery, so I'm gonna tap on this option of upload. Here I'm gonna just select this one picture, and after you select it, tap on next. After you select the video, at the top right corner you can find different options. Tap on this one icon. Now from here you can choose any of the sticker. At the top you can see that search bar. You can just type in the name of the sticker that you want. Here I'm gonna search for a flower, and here you can see that many options has appeared. I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna just fix the position of this flower, and here it is. This is how you use stickers on TikTok. Likewise, you can again tap on that icon and select any of the sticker of your choice. If you don't find over here, you can just search it like I did. I hope now you guys are clear about how to use stickers on TikTok. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.